Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the valley pan gasket. Instead of buying a brand new valley pan with the original gasket on it, I'm just going to clean up the mating surfaces with some brake cleaner. I've already pre-cleaned this with some fine sandpaper, and you have to have a good straight edge in order not to damage the edge of the valley pan. So I'm just gonna give it a good clean with brake cleaner, remove any grease or debris. As you can see, there's a little bit of dirt. So what I will do, I'm gonna apply some silicone, and I have probably the best brand your money can buy. This is Victor Reigns, and it's resistant up to 300 degrees Celsius. So it's top quality silicone for this job. Before I put the silicone on, I want to make sure that everything is clean. I might even vacuum clean the actual pan here. So I'll continue the video in a few minutes. I'm going to repeat the cleaning process again just because the vacuum cleaner could be dirty, so I don't want to take any chances. This is the valley pan. I've cleaned it up really well where the gasket was, so this is gonna go straight on top now. Tighten these just a tiny bit with the ratchet. I'm gonna snug them up a little bit until they start tightening, and then I'm gonna finish them off with a torque wrench. I'm gonna do it in two stages. I'm gonna put about 5 Newton meters first. Okay, I'm gonna leave them for about half an hour and I'm gonna come back and tighten them 10 Newton meters. Okay, I'm back after about half an hour. Now I have set my torque wrench to 10 Newton meters, so I'm gonna start from the middle and tighten these to 10 Newton meters. That's the job done.